this super easy and delicious dessert. Your whole family is gonna absolutely love this. It is perfect for spring and summer and hey, even all year long. So if you're ready, let's go. Here are all the ingredients and I'll have everything listed down below. Now we're gonna be using a KitchenAid today, but if you don't have one, a hand mixer or even a whisk will do just fine. Okay, so in my stand mixer, we're gonna be adding 1 block of cream cheese. And I actually have that at room temperature, so it's gonna be nice and soft for mixing. And then I'm gonna add 1 can of key lime pie filling. Now you could also get lemon pie if you wanted to. That will work just as well and it's really good. So either lime or lemon will work perfect. And we're gonna add this whole can to the KitchenAid stand mixer. I love lemon and lime things. It's one of my favorite desserts. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And then we're gonna keep mixing until it's nice and fluffy. I have my graham pie crust right here. This is just pre-made. I bought it at the store, already done. Of course, you could always make your own if you wanted to. Now look how nice and fluffy this is looking. So everything, all that cream cheese, there's no lumps in the cream cheese. And then all we're gonna do is add that to this pie crust. Woo, it is so fluffy, y'all. Your family is gonna love this dessert. It's so delicious. And did I say how easy this is? Look at this, y'all. You can whip this up in about 10-15 minutes. It is fast. And then just spread that around. Just make it as pretty as you can. And we're not done with it yet. So if it's not just perfect, don't you worry about it, okay? Now you're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 30 to 45 minutes. While that's in the refrigerator, we're gonna go ahead and make the icing that's gonna go on top of it. This homemade icing is one of my favorite. Let's go ahead and separate the eggs because we only need the egg whites. I have my whisk attachment on this time and I'm gonna add my 3 egg whites in here and then we're gonna beat these until we have a soft peak. All right, so that really only took about 2 minutes. So there it is, a soft peak. And then after that, we're gonna slowly add in our sugar, turn it back on. And then we're gonna go ahead and slowly add our sugar as we are beating it. And then we're gonna go ahead and beat this until it's nice and stiff and even a little glossy. All right, it is now nice and thick and super glossy. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and take our nice fluffy icing mixture and we're gonna just put that back onto our cooled pie. Oh man, look at this. Woo! Yes, this is gonna be so good. And then you're just gonna slowly spread this around on top. And I'm just using a spatula to do this. And holy cow, you guys, look how beautiful this looks. We're gonna go ahead and put that back into the refrigerator for about another 30 minutes to let it all firm up. And then it'll be time for the taste test. Ooh, I'm getting excited, are you? Okay guys, and now it's time for the taste test. This is gonna be so good. Cheers. Oh man, that is so delicious. The lime is so amazing. It's a little tart, but it's also sweet. And that icing that I put on top is just, it's almost like a little bit marshmallowy. And the combination of the lime and the icing is just so delicious. You guys have got to give this a try. I am serious, you are going to love it. Again, this only took about 20 to 30 minutes total, and I'm sure your family is going to love it just as much as mine did. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!